Hey guys, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today we are bringing it back around and we are doing another waxing review. One of my favorite series to do on this channel is to try Instagram viral products and see if they're actually worth the hype, and that's what we're going to be doing again today. This time I'm going to be trying out SUGARDOH, which is a sugar paste that you can use for waxing all over your body. It's got natural ingredients in it. It only has about like 3 or 4 ingredients, which is awesome. I love that it's from a small business owner who I actually believe just started this brand like a year ago, so props to her for being able to like set this all up and that it's really like taken off in under a year. And one thing that's really awesome that I love is that it's actually compostable, so I can put it in my compost bin and that's it. I don't have to have all the strips and just toss them in the trash like I do currently with my wax strips, but I can actually just roll it up once I'm done and put it in my compost bin. My history with waxing is that I used to get Brazilians long ago. Well, let's not be dramatic. I got like 3 and then I stopped. A friend had suggested sugaring or sugar wax, and I went to the salon and got it done, and a situation occurred. I think I've told the story before, but it's been a while, so I'll tell it again. During the session, there was one moment where she was going, we were right in the center area. She pulled one strip and it just pulled the wrong way, or just, I don't even know, but I felt it completely and was just like, ah! Could not continue on. I actually went home with like a half Brazilian done. I was like, screw this, I'm out of here. Like, just no. Like, I went back to bikini waxes and I went full on back to shaving or lasering for a hot second. You can watch the video on how that went down. And then we worked our way back to just waxing strips, and that's what I've been doing specifically in my bikini area. Coming across this wax again, I was kind of like, do I want to get into something that looks very messy? Like, I'm not really into that. I don't want to do the whole microwave thing. I just want to be like easy steps 1, 2, 3 and we're done. But as I was watching the videos, I was like, this looks like relatively easy. You know, maybe I can handle it. I got the mini version, so the one that I got is the firm classic sugar paste. I believe for beginners they were saying to go with the more firm one. To me, it's kind of annoying that it's so hard to use, but I guess that was for the benefit of beginners. I'm not really sure, but I know that they have other ones that are much more looser. So I guess once you are comfortable with the paste, you know how to like manhandle it, you can go with the more easier, more malleable one. And then I also got the little applicator spatula thing because I felt like it was needed. You can also use your hands, but I felt like I just wanted something that, you know, would be less messy, and it seems like this would be most useful for getting that, you know, pull up part. I did not get the powder. I didn't want to just spend the extra money. I could see why it's useful to have a powder because, you know, you're not supposed to have too much moisture in the area because then the product won't stick to the hair, etc., etc. I highly recommend for other people to go to the website first before you dive in. The website has all the videos and the how-tos, and it gives photos and like little GIF visual representations of what you're supposed to be doing each time. I went to the Instagram page and I felt like I looked at the website after the fact and was like, oh, this would have really like laid it out for me because I'm just more of a visual person. You apply it in the opposite direction that the hair grows, and then when you pull it out, you're pulling it in the direction that the hair grows. So it's kind of opposite what I feel like I had always been taught. If the hair is growing down, you apply the product going up and then you flick down. So I do feel like that's probably why it's like a little bit less painful, and I actually like that. I did have trouble on the first go. For using the product in my bikini area, it definitely was tricky, even with this, to just swipe it on. And I was like pushing as hard as I could to get the paste to literally get off of the applicator and then to also stay on my skin. And it wasn't like my skin was, you know, I wasn't sweating with nerves or anything like that. My skin was in, you know, a dry, clean state, but I felt like it still just wasn't sticking. But once it did, I was really impressed. Now, maybe it's because I have been waxing down there for a while. The first like flick, I was like, oh, this isn't bad at all. I didn't feel massive pain when I was doing any of the flicking. Like, I was really happy. Like, cheesing really hard because I was like, this is so good. Like, I actually do see myself like absolutely continuing to use it in my bikini area, and I see how people could absolutely do a full-on Brazilian with it. The areas that were a little bit more tricky for me were obviously right over the pubic bone. That hair is a little bit thicker because in that area I wasn't using waxing. I would just shave that and then continue about my way just because I don't like pain. But I decided because everything was going so well elsewhere, I was like, let's just try it. So that area definitely pulled taut, you know, had to go for it. Hurt a little bit more, but that hair is thicker, but I'm excited to continue to do that so that that hair can get thinner and it'll be easier in the future. What I liked about it is that you can use it more than once. You don't have to like do one strip and then toss it away, but you can kind of keep refolding and reshaping it, and then you can, it's still sticky. So I liked that it kept its stickiness, whereas I feel like with wax strips, after like a couple swipes, it's like, oh, it's not even sticky anymore. I guess the perks of having dry skin is that the palms of my hands, every time I just kind of like rolled it up, I was able to get all the product off. Another thing that I did that you'll see in my little clips is that, like she says, you know, just having water nearby, just wetting it, the sugar paste just comes like right off. Now I'm showing you a demo with my legs, but I'm just telling you ahead of time, like, don't dog me. I know you're gonna be like, I don't see the hair. There is hair there, it's just very, very, very thin, but I wanted to at least be able to show something occurring so that you guys could see. So I'm not sure how helpful it will be, but maybe you'll just get an idea of like how you flick it. You go away from it. This part's always the hardest. Wait, I don't think you guys can see. And like spreading it on, I don't know, that's just like the hardest. Oh my God, this is gonna hurt. Oh, actually no, okay. Yay! Trying to smear this thick product going this way on my legs, I was like, ow! Because I'd get to the edge and trying to like control how to like get all the product off. I was like, this is really painful. And I think it's my little hairs were like, ah, like trying to like, you know, figure out like what's going on. So I didn't love it for my legs, but I absolutely love it for my bikini area. And I'm so excited because this is a really good amount of product. This is a 6.5 ounce and this is for the mini size, so I'm good on this. At the end, like the website says, you just rinse everything off and you should be good to go. And then if you see my other videos, I always follow up with my oils from Bush Balm. This is Bermuda oil, or I have another oil that I use, and that's really good for preventing irritation, redness, ingrown hairs. I haven't done my underarms yet. I feel like that would be pretty cool to try. That should be one pretty simple swipe, and then I'm just, you know, curious how painful it will be. The lack of gracefulness I had during this process is just truly a sight for sore eyes. I apologize, but I want to show you my first experience. I'm really, really, really impressed by how not painful it was for the bikini area. If you've watched any of the laser video or waxing videos or anything like that where I mention pain, like usually that's the first thing to knock me out. And so I was really impressed that the wax paste actually didn't bother me too much. I feel like from a budget perspective, the pricing is pretty good. This mini jar costs $15, which I think is pretty good, and this is gonna last a while. The applicator costs $10, and like I mentioned before, the powder that she sells was going to cost $10, and I just didn't want to pay $10. I want to just keep it low. Usually the wax strips that I get in store are about $7 to $12, so this is not that much more. And then if you go and get a Brazilian done or something like that, I think in this area it's like $50-ish or more. I don't know, I haven't done that in a really long time. And the product seems to last. So, and at the end, like I said before, is that once, you know, you use up the whole thing, you can pretty much just toss it in your compost, which I think is really, really awesome. Overall, I would say that this product is definitely worth the hype. I highly recommend it. I look forward to getting past the learning curve of the application process, but I can just go in, swipe, flick, all that good stuff, and I'll be good to go. I love also on their Instagram, she's very available to DMs if you have any questions or you need any help. I messaged her about how to get the product to, you know, sit on the skin more, all that good stuff, and she gave me some tips, which is great. Comment down below if you guys have used a sugar paste or a wax paste. What are some tips and tricks if you have used this product? And I'll have links and everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.